Welcome. My name is Shane Reed. I'm a former Assistant United States Attorney. I've written award-winning litigation textbooks, and I teach lawyers at law firms and groups and also do one-on-one consulting. And what I love to share with them is tips from actual trials that are memorable. Today, we're going to look at Mark Lanier. He's one of the most famous plaintiffs' attorneys in the country. And we're going to look at the key to an effective opening statement. I believe, and because I've seen this throughout the country, the most important thing you can do is have a bottom line message. What is that? It's one sentence that powerfully and simply persuades the jury what your case is all about. The case we're going to look at today from Courtroom View Network is from the Johnson & Johnson Talc litigation trials. A lot of plaintiffs have lost these trials. A few have won, but none have won bigger awards than Mark Lanier. And he won $4.6 billion in this case. In this case, he had 22 women. They were suffering from ovarian cancer or had died from ovarian cancer. And his allegation was that the baby powder and shower-to-shower products that Johnson & Johnson had put on the market had contained asbestos. And these women, when they used these products over years and years and years, had developed ovarian cancer. Mark had 22 plaintiffs. He had a 6-week trial, and he had to boil down in his opening statement everything to one sentence. So as you look at this video clip, and it's about 50 seconds, ask yourself, is it simple? Is it persuasive? And is it powerful? So let's look at the clip, and then we'll talk about it.
But this case boils down to something as simple as ABC. This case is as simple as asbestos. When you breathe it, or you put it inside yourself in another way, or around yourself where it will be taken up in body parts and cavities, asbestos, breathed or internalized, becomes cancer. And it's no more apparent than in this case. That's the entire case. If I prove that asbestos is in that baby powder, you're going to know why these women had ovarian cancer, at least what a cause of the cancer was. The big fight, really, is whether or not asbestos is in the powder. And I think you're going to see quite readily that it's in the baby powder, the shower-to-shower powder, and the other things as well.
All right, let's talk real quickly. How was he able to simplify his case? He used the rule of 3. Asbestos breathed in causes cancer. He simplified a very complicated case to one sentence. And it's memorable because it has the rule of 3. And although it doesn't have alliteration, meaning that the same word begins with the same consonant, he's got ABC. And any jury is going to remember that. We could talk about his visual aid, which we'll do in another trial tip, his mannerisms, his eye contact. But I just want you to focus on that simple message. And most importantly, you know what he said? He says, I will prove it to you. So you have to have a simple bottom line message, and then you have to have the proof to back it up. And if you do those two things, you are well on your way to winning your next case. So I look forward to seeing you next time when I can share with you more trial tips. Goodbye.